In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert a table in Mailchimp. So first log into your Mailchimp account, then next in the left panel, go to campaigns. Then next look for that specific email you would like to edit, then click on the edit button beside it. This will open up the email builder. But first, of course, you need to click on edit design. As you can see, Mailchimp doesn't have a built-in table tool, but you can easily create one using sections and columns. So from the layout panel, scroll down to blank columns, and from here, select the number of columns you need. Each column acts like a table column. Click on Show More to see more options. Then from the layout panel, drag a section into your email where you want the table to be. And here you can actually start filling out your table content, and you just have to duplicate the section to create more rows. In the left panel, try adjusting padding, background color, or borders so the sections visually look like a table. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!